Hello folks, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil, back with another video on Windows 10 tips and tricks. In this video, you will learn how to change drive names as per your preference and learn how to hide alphabetic letters which are associated with drives. So let's start this video and know how to customize Windows 10 drive name. Press Ctrl+C to open this PC or previously known as my computer. On this laptop I have two drives and these are already named differently. So I will rename this D drive as WM Originals. Press F2 and then you can edit name of the drive. Now renaming this as WM Originals. You can see the name of the drive is changed but the alphabetic name associated with this drive is still here. Well, we will remove that as well, but firstly let's rename the second drive and we'll rename this as Windows 10 as that's where Windows is installed. Right click and select rename. Now renaming this as Windows 10. You can see that now the drives are named as Windows 10 and WM Originals but still have drive letters name associated with them. So let's know how to rename them. Click on View menu at the top and from there go to Options. Click on that and this opens up Folder Options dialog box. From there go to View tab. And there you can see we have various options related to files and folders, and scroll down to show drive letters and from here uncheck show drive letters and then click on apply and press OK. Now you can see that the drives don't have any alphabets associated to them and they are now named as Windows 10 and WM Originals. So this is how you can rename and hide alphabetic letters associated with drives in Windows 10. Let me tell you again how to do it. Click on View menu at the top and from there go to Options. Click on that and this opens up Folders dialog box. From there go to View tab and scroll down to show drive letters and from here uncheck show drive letters and then press OK. Also, if you want to show alphabetic letter associated with the drive, you can just check this and click on apply and press OK. Well, that's what I had in this video, short and simple. Hope this was useful for you. Do share your views in comments and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now. See you all in my next video.